Let's continue to move from stuck to strong. Welcome back to part 2 of phase 1 of the desk to deadlift program. This video encompasses days 3, 4, and 5. Remember, start each workout with a 10-minute warm-up walk on the treadmill. Welcome to day 3 of phase 1 of the desk to deadlift program. Today's focus is shoulder strength and mobility for reaching, lifting, and stability. The first exercise we're going to do today is the machine shoulder press. We've got 3 sets of 12 reps. The purpose of this exercise is to build overhead pressing strength for tasks like putting items on high shelves. We're going to adjust the seat so the handle aligns with the shoulders. We're going to sit tall and grip the handles with our palms forward. Press the handles overhead until the arms are nearly straight. Lower with control. Some key tips for this exercise is to keep your core tight and avoid arching your back. Your elbows should stay slightly in front of your body. Breathe out as you press and in as you lower. Our second exercise for today is the dumbbell lateral raises. We do 3 sets of 12 reps. The purpose of this exercise is to build shoulder width and stability for reaching sideways. I'm going to set up this exercise, we're going to stand holding the dumbbells at our sides and our palms facing inwards. We're going to lift the dumbbells to our shoulder height, elbows slightly bent. Lead with the elbows, now with the hands. Keep your movements smooth and controlled, and breathe out as you raise and in as you lower. Now we're going to do front raises. You'll stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your palms facing inwards. You're going to raise the weight to shoulder height with your arms straight. Lower slowly. Keep the shoulders down and avoid swinging. Maintain the tension. Exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower. Finally, reverse pec deck, 3 sets of 12 reps. The purpose of this exercise is to strengthen the rear delts for posture and for balance. We're going to sit facing the pad, we're going to grip the handles. In this movement, we're going to pull the handles outward, squeezing our shoulder blades. Then we're going to return it slowly to the starting position. We're going to keep our elbows high, control the motion, and avoid jerking. Breathe out as you pull, and breathe in as you return. Welcome to day 4 of phase 1 of the desk to deadlift program. Today's focus is grip pulling and pushing strength for everyday tasks. The first exercise we're going to do is easy bar curls. We got 3 sets of 10 reps. The purpose of this exercise is to build biceps for pulling strength. To set up this exercise, we're going to stand holding the easy bar with our arms shoulder width apart and our palms facing up. We're going to curl the bar towards our chest and slowly lower the weight. We want to keep our elbows close to the body, avoid swinging or using momentum. You don't want to arch your back, you want to keep it straight, and you want to breathe out as you curl and in as you lower. Next, we have the dumbbell hammer curls with 3 sets of 10 reps. The purpose of this exercise is to build forearms and grip strength for carrying. To set up this exercise, we're going to stand with the dumbbells at our sides and our palms facing in. We're going to curl the weights towards our shoulders and then lower them with control. We're going to keep our wrists neutral and avoid swinging. We're going to exhale as you lift and inhale as you lower. Exercise number 3, we have rope tricep press downs. 3 sets of 10 reps. This strengthens the triceps for pushing movements. To set this exercise up, we're going to stand tall, grip the rope with both hands. We're going to push the rope down to a full extension, flaring out at the bottom. We're going to return slowly. Keep the elbows close to the body. Avoid leaning forward, because this will give you extra momentum, and we want to focus all the effort on our triceps. Breathe out as you push and in as you return.
Next time we go up to those, it will be easy for me.
Finally, seated dumbbell overhead extensions. 2 sets of 12 reps. This exercise targets your triceps for overhead strength. We're going to sit holding the dumbbell with both hands overhead. We're going to lower the dumbbell behind our head. We're going to extend our arms back up.
This works best if you have a seat with a low top. That way your weight's not hitting it.
Going to control the descent and the ascent. We're going to breathe out as you press and in as you lower. Today is leg day. Yes. Today's focus is hip, glute, and hamstring strength for lifting and stability.
First exercise is going to be box squats. We got 3 sets of 10. We're going to start staying with our legs shoulder width apart, feet somewhat out. We have our box. Now slowly go down, sit, return back up. Next exercise is glute bridges or like hip thrust. We do 3 sets of 15. This helps counteract your sitting posture when you sit at a desk all day long. We're going to sit at the machine as such. I've loaded up 25 on each side. Put the belt in. Get down, raise up, squeeze at the top, go back down. The next one for good measure.
Next exercise are step ups. We're going to do 3 sets of 8 per leg. This builds single leg strength for stepping up and going upstairs. We're going to stay in front of the box. We're going to put one foot up, and drive through the glute, return. 1, 2. And if you like, you can even grab some weight. I have 2 10 pounds here, one in each hand. The next exercise is a kettlebell or dumbbell deadlift. We're going to grab a kettlebell. We're going to stand with our feet hip width apart. Put the weight just in front of our shins. We're going to bend down. Push our butt backwards. It's called a hinge. We're going to grab the weight. We're going to stand up. Return down. We're going to keep a big chest looking forward. We're going to do 3 sets of 8 reps of this exercise. We're going to keep our knees over our toes. Grab the weight. Thrust forward with our hips at the top. Down, 1. Down, 2. 3. 4. 5.
5, 6. All right, and our final exercise for today is the seated hamstring curls. We're gonna do 3 sets of 12. The purpose of this exercise is to build hamstring strength to stabilize your knees. In here. We're gonna adjust the seat so that the pad is just behind your ankles. Point this down, and down, squeeze, return, 1.
That's the end of phase 1 of the desk to deadlift program. In just 4 weeks, you'll restore movement, wake up dormant muscles, and lay the foundations for lifting with confidence. By combining these exercises with proper form and purpose, we're rebuilding strength for life. But this is just the beginning. In phase 2, we'll build on this foundation, increasing strength, and get you closer to your first big deadlift. We're stepping up the intensity, adding load, increasing reps, and mastering the deadlift movement. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss phase 2. An important reminder, always consult your physician before starting a new fitness program. You're on your way from stuck to strong. Let's keep going. I'll see you in phase 2.